Let's go play on
Look
the
at the
playground.
sun peeking over the
path
gate.
is waiting.
Lupi's little feet are ready to walk today. The green gate swings wide on a sunny bright morning.
It goes on and
Lupi
on,
steps
so far
forward
ahead.
with a gentle turning along the long path where the flowers are glowing. One tiny
Looking
foot
back,
taps and the other
whole
one's
path
going.
is still right
Lupi
there.
softly sings, tap, tap, as her toes meet the ground. A cheery little rhythm that hums all around.
There's an arch up ahead. Let's keep walking.
Adventure, oh what a sweet day. Singing a bouncy tune as we walk our way. Playground.
Wow, the
adventure.
ground feels so
The sun is so
soft
bright.
underfoot now.
Every little step fills us with delight. Under the colorful
The slide is
arch
right
where the
there,
curves are so
just a
round.
little way.
Lupi leans in and peeks at what she has found. She reaches her hand to a red bar so shiny.
Steps up there
and gives
in
it a gentle
soft
touch
ground
that's
waiting
very
below.
tiny. Lupi hums softly, ding ding, as her fingers go bright. Then she looks up at the slide with a spark.
That's quite a way down to the
delight.
bottom.
Playground adventure, what a cozy scene. Singing a twirly song on the playground in between.
Past the slide, the soft ground keeps going on.
The sky is so clear. Every little wonder is right here and near.
Yay!
One step
the
up
swings
and
are
another,
just ahead.
holding the
Let's
rail so
run.
tight. Lupi climbs to the top where the blue slide gleams in light. She settles her knees on the
Back near the
smooth,
slide,
shiny curve
one last
and glides all the
little
way
moment
down
here.
with a gentle little swerve. Lupi's tiny voice goes whoosh whoo as she floats to the ground. A soft
Bye-bye,
little landing
playground.
where no sound can
Great
be
path
found.
leads us home.
Playground adventure, what a glow